Hey guys, I have received two new products from Anker company. The first one is smart Full HD webcam, while the second is portable conference speaker. We will publish a video about conference speaker next week, but now I want to tell you about webcam. Anker PowerConf C300 has Full HD 1080p resolution, HDR support, 115 degrees viewing angle, and dual microphones. By the way, we will check a microphone quality in this video. As usual, let's start the review with unboxing. On the box of Anker PowerConf C300, we can see the image of a webcam, as well as its main features, such as face tracking keeps you in frame, smart auto-framing, instant autofocus powered by AI, and multiple meeting modes. Inside the box we have a webcam itself, USB-C to USB-C power cable, USB-C to USB-A adapter, privacy colors, and user manual. The manufacturer also recommends to download the software. We will show you the functions of the software, but first, let's take a look at the design of the webcam. I want to start with dimensions of a webcam. It is 98 by 28 by 27 mm. The weight is 280 grams. Anker webcam has adjustable clip stand, but it is not removable. There are also 1/4 inch thread to mount the webcam on the tripod. Very nice. On the front panel we can see the first microphone on the left side, camera lens, LED light, and the second microphone on the right side. There is also a big Anker logo on the front and 1080p 60 fps inscription around the camera lens. On the back of the webcam there is only USB-C charging port. By the way, a new Anker webcam comes with two pieces of privacy cover. You can install it and then easily slide the cover the lens when in need. Please make sure that LED light and microphones are not covered by a privacy cover. As already said, Anker PowerConf C300 has adjustable clip stand, so you can mount a webcam on the monitor or laptop screen. Also, you can just place a webcam on the desktop. Finally, you can use 1/4 inch thread to mount a webcam on the tripod. Okay, I think that's all about design of the new Anker webcam, and now I can show you a software. First, I want to say that you can use Anker PowerConf C300 without any additional software. You just need to connect a webcam to your laptop or computer using USB-C cable, and then open any software for video calls, for example Zoom or Skype. However, there are some useful functions in the Anker software, so it is better to use it. First, in the software, we can choose a mode, such as customizable, personal, streaming, and meeting. In customizable mode, we can change resolution of a webcam from 360p to 1080p, as well as FPS 30 or 60. The next useful function is a viewing angle and auto frame. Anker webcam uses revolutionary AI technology to automatically adjust the field of view. You know, it works really good. You can also enable HDR and anti-flicker function. In addition, there are image settings in the software. Here you can manually adjust the brightness, sharpness, saturation, and contrast ratio. Okay, now let's compare the image quality from Anker PowerConf C300 and a built-in webcam on my Xiaomi laptop. As already said many times, that Anker PowerConf C300 has 1080p 60 fps maximum resolution. The webcam resolution of my Xiaomi laptop is only 720p 30 fps. As you can see, the difference is significant. By the way, I forgot to tell you that Anker webcam has autofocus. It automatically focuses on people and objects within just 0.35 seconds. I also want to compare the webcams in low light conditions. I don't think you need my comments. Anker PowerConf C300 has a very good image quality in low light conditions. Finally, let's check a microphone quality of Anker webcam. It has dual microphones, so the sound quality should be good. Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of Anker PowerConf C300. You can see that I am in my studio now, and the webcam is located at a distance of about 1 meter from me. Now I'm going to step back about 3 meters. Most likely you will be given a presentation at this distance from the webcam, because you need to show something on the board. You know, I didn't tell you the price of an Anker PowerConf C300. It is $129 on Amazon, but you can use $30 of coupon code, so the final price for you will be about $100. I think it is an excellent webcam for this price. It has very good image quality, wide viewing angle, AI framing, and high-quality microphone. Anker PowerConf C300 is must-have device for online conferences or just video calls. Thank you for watching. Next week I will test a portable conference speaker from Anker. Stay tuned.